Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you Nivea cream review. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get it started. Winter brings dry skin issues. Oily skin changes to combination, normal skin changes to dry, and wonder what happens to dry skin. Dry skin becomes extra dry, broken, and cracked during winter. It is important to listen to your skin change as the season changes from hot to cold. Skin might feel a bit flaky. Even my oily skin receives some dry, rough patches and flakiness during cold days. I wish I could slather some heavy moisturizing creams, but my oily skin cannot bear such heavy moisture. So Nivea cream is as old as a century but is new like yesterday. Nivea cream is rich cream for all seasons. It's not just for face, but it can be used by anyone in many ways. This is relatively a heavy cream, but do not apply it in a hurry and rough manner. Nivea wants you to enjoy the moment while you apply it with love, even strokes, and give it time to absorb by itself. It's the time that you should have in your life every day. So now I'm saying that price and availability. This rich cream in moisture is available. This rich in moisture cream is available in different packaging. Get a 200 ml tub of this cream only for 240 rupees, 100 ml only for 135 rupees, and while 60 ml travel size pack comes only for 75 rupees. Available at Amazon and other online shopping websites. You can spot it everywhere offline too. This is a light cream and white cream that is good for people of all ages. It is good to use in winters as it helps in getting rid from dry skin and flakes. You can apply it on your face and body and it make you feel supple and moist. If you have an oily skin, then apply it little. This is a perfect moisturizer for winters. It doesn't contain any vitamins, but it has liquid paraffin, which is good for people suffering with skin problems such as eczema. It also provides long-term hydration to the skin. Though people with normal to dry skin can apply it on their faces, but as I have oily skin, I feel it's better to apply this cream on your body parts like hands and legs only. Yes, everyone can apply it on their lips to avoid lip chapping. Benefits of using Nivea cream. It provides hydration, long-term skin moisturizer, prevent lip chapping, repair chapped lips, heals skin rashes and patches, prevents dry skin redness and flakes. It comes in a flat blue soft tin box which is very small and trouble-friendly packaging. And before you use this product, patch test is needed. So do I recommend this Nivea cream? Yes, you must get one tub for those really dry skin emergencies when nothing else helps. Nivea cream is rich in moisture and texture. Address your dry skin issues in just first application. It's not just a face cream, but a multi-purpose cream which can come handy at any time of the year for anyone. It is affordable, easily and available too. Thanks for watching this video.